You guys ready to watch some sports on the Amazon Fire TV stick? Let's see if we can find a different application for you. Under the search icon, type in downloader, DOWN. Downloader comes right up. Orange icon, click it. If you do not already have it, get it, download it, install it. Let's make sure we keep our online activity safe and get ourselves a nice VPN. Surfshark VPN, surf, SURF, Surfshark. Get it, download it, install it. Use the link in the description below to get yourself 82% off and 2 free months. Once we have everything downloaded, head over to the 3 squares plus sign, your apps and games icon, 3-line button on your remote, move it to the front. Now let's open up Surfshark. Once you've logged in through your phone or on your desktop, it automatically opens it up, starts it up. Now it says not connected. Easiest way to do this, you can either quick connect or you can search. I'm going to say Detroit. Detroit's fairly close to me. I'm going to say yes, connection request for the VPN. And now it's connected, folks. You just leave this on for indefinitely. Go to the home screen. This will cover our ass. Okay, now that downloader is downloaded, click on it, open it up. We're going to let it allow access photos and media on your device. And then quick start glide, you just click OK on that. And here we just type in the URL, a shortcut, 546-835. This gets us to the Led by the Unknown web page. When the redirect's over, use your 3-line button on your remote. Add current page to favorites. Now we don't have to worry about redirecting and any time wasted. Well, let's just slide down here to downloads. Click on downloads. And under the downloads page, now that you have this up on your TV, get out your phone, take a picture of the QR code. As you can tell, 2-year, $230 a month, 2 free months, 30-day guarantee, money back guarantee. Now I'll just stop here for a second, guys. Check out this quick tutorial, how to. Enjoy. Back to our show. Well, this will be just a quick demo, guys. We'll come down and try, so we're looking for sports. Click on Pluto TV. Install application, and oh, we didn't jailbreak a Firestick. So, download is going to do with it. So the Firestick is going to do this for us. Once it comes to install unknown apps, turn on downloader, and away we go. Back out twice, and it goes right back to the download page, and we can install. Now, click install. Let it install Pluto TV. Once it's installed, click done. And delete the APK file. Delete. It's gone. Let's head back to the home screen to your apps and games icon and find Pluto TV. And of course, Pluto, we can move to the front, use the 3-line buttons. I'm just going to move it up here, put it beside Rumble. Check out my Rumble channel, guys. You won't be sorry. So, back to the home. Click on Pluto. And yes, Pluto does have live sports. So on the side left bar there, we can click Live TV. And we come down And down under the 2700s, we got post-game highlights, headlines, undisputed. So some Fox Sports, NBC Sports, MLB, golf, Pluto Sports, Fight, Bellator, TNA, Glory, some kickboxing, World Poker, Motor Trend. Enjoy. Peace.